Welcome to Spring Lib.
Be the conversion for 10, 20, and 30 kilometers. You always just want to convert it into meters per second. SI, you want to just convert SI units. And so from kilometers per hour, we would, of course, multiply 1,000 meters per kilometer. And then we'll multiply 1 hour for every 3,600 seconds. So 1 kilometer per hour multiplied by 1,000 divided by 3,600. That's how we would convert from 10, 20, 30 to kilometers per hour to meters per second. And so we can find the change in kinetic energy, which would simply be equal to 1/2 times the mass of the car, because the mass of the car does not change. And this would be V final minus V initial quantity squared. Or rather, my apologies. V final squared minus V initial squared. My apologies. And so changing for the first, it would be 1/2 times the mass multiplied by the velocity final. So this would be 5.556 squared minus 2.778 squared. And then for the second change in kinetic energy, this would be 1/2 times the mass of, here would be 8.333 squared minus 5.556 squared. And you don't really need to actually calculate this. We can just say, that this would be case A, and that, rather, this would be case B. We can say A, B, and you can automatically tell that, of course, in the second case, the change in kinetic energy is going to be much greater than the change in kinetic energy for the first case, or case A. And so this would be our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.